mani yami la suka la Edinburgh ithi Mbombela mashishini bekunemvula lengapheli le imvula bathi yabakhukhula uthena ngeke uthengeke uphume nayo utenani Mbombela ukubukela le bhola ngenkani into South Africa qualifier tuna yami
2026 siyaya we want to show them our talent. It's the talent team naka namuhla sindi sikhombile namuhla ukuthi we can do this, we can do this. Hugo Bruce usikhombile ukuthi he's one of the best coaches. Usikhombile namuhla ukuthi we have just to relax simnike isikhathi sithembe yonke into ayendaba. I believe ukuthi na 2026 World Cup you are going to do better. You are going to do better. We South Africa we have a talent usiqualifyile.
Iningi talent bafu.
Kakhulu talent iningi kakhulu. Sithanda nokubonga ama player wase South Africa la ukuthi ayitimisela. This is a huge nation my friends. Sithanda ukuthi babatimisela nathi sijabule. Njengoba sijabulile so nathi nawe uyabona ukuthi
mani yami suka la Edinburgh mashishini sacrifice lengazi
70 years
ewe ukijima ukala
Mbombela ngizosupport abafana bethu ukuthi
yes bafana bavele bathi mani yami WhatsApp kusela Edinburgh mina utela utela straight ihambisa automatic qualification to World Cup injabulo ibucabuca kwele njani
yabo mina injabulo yami ngijabule kakhulu angazi ukuthi ngathi ngithini kahle ukuthi inhliziyo yami ngathi ngayikhipha kahle ngibone ukuthi sijabule kanjani sima South Africa. Siyabonga wonke umdlali adlalile namuhla. Thank you very much.
Kakhulu mani yami jika kahle nibiyele la Edinburgh
kahle sibongile solala namuhla solala laptop azange silale phela solala laptop namuhla ngoba